Hola beauties, let's begin. No chap lips. So let's take some Carmex and moisturize during this makeup application. And now I am using for the first time ColourPop's Precision Brow Pencil in black and brown. I'm trying it out just to see. MAC's my favorite, the spike pencil, but let's shade this in, and it comes equipped with a spoolie on the other end. And now for the BH Cosmetics concealer. This is a full coverage concealer, and this is in number 113. I'm also using it as an eyeshadow base, so let's spread it throughout the lid. And then we will stipple it in using a deluxe crease brush by Real Technique. Now for the other side. Now let's just clean this brow up on top, and I'm using Tarte's Shape Tape in Deep. It doesn't look like it because I'm using the same brush that I used to clean up the bottom. Let's set it all in place using my Holy Grail Sasha Buttercup Setting Powder. All right, come on, Shayla times ColourPop. Let's begin with Culture. Now I'm working in Revenge to deepen, and now played out into that crease. Hey, Chloe. Now I'm working Unbothered onto the lid. It's a beautiful color. It looks good. All right. And now for my Jeremy Scott palette. Now this is Raven Eyed that I'm using to deepen that crease, that outer V just a little bit. And now onto the wing liner. I am using NYX Matte Liquid Liner in black. Nothing new. It's my favorite. I use it in all my videos. And now for the Great Lash Mascara, Old Faithful. Onto those lashes before applying the falsies. And now I'm moisturizing using Cortisone 10. Now my lashes are on. I applied Grace 3D Volume Lash in 3D 42. Now I'm applying Urban Decay's Orange Corrector in Deep Peach. Same as I've used in other videos. And now for the LC Volume Sponge. This sponge is used by Makeup Shayla, one of my favorite beauty influencers, okay? I just wanted to try it out for myself, and I like it. And now I'm going over that corrector with Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in number 30, Cafe. And now for the Studio Fix Fluid in NW48. I'm actually not new to the Studio Fix Fluid. I am new to this shade. I usually use NW45, but I have gotten just a little bit more of my melanin on this summer, so I had to use the 48. And now it's time to highlight using Tarte's Shape Tape Concealer in Tan Sand. Now it's time to work that product in. We are going to use a stippling motion. I just actually learned that. So that's what I'm doing. I'm stippling that product into the skin. And I have used way too much product, but we're just going to go with it and work it out. Now, this is how you work it out when you use way too much, because this is way too much on the forehead. You get your foundation brush without any extra product on it, and you just kind of blend seamlessly. And I'm doing the same thing for the chin. And now it's time to set, and I'm setting with Sasha Buttercup Setting Powder. And now for the cream contour, this is Black Radiance Cream Contour Palette in medium to dark. And I place this product everywhere I want to bring color back into the face. And I do apologize for the light and the darkness. I'm working my way up. I'm getting there. I'll have better equipment to give you guys the flawless videos. But now what I'm doing is I'm just blending out that cream contour all around the forehead, the jawline, the apples of the cheek, and the bridge of the nose. And what it does again is it brings color back into the face, and it helps to slim down the face. And I'm just carving out those cheekbones with my LC sponge without any product, just what was left over. So now let's set that contour in place, and I'm using MAC's Mineralized Skin Finish in deepest dark everywhere I place the contour, the cream. And now down the bridge of the nose just to slim it down a little bit. Now I'm placing MAC's Raisin Blush on the apples of the cheek, and now I'm setting the entire face with the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in dark. And now it's time for the glow, what everyone loves these days, and I'm using Fenty Beauty's Hustler Baby, one of my favorites. Down the bridge of the nose, I'm just adding a little bit more to give that extra pop. And now it's time for the under eye, and I'm using Culture, going over it with Revenge, and then I'll take a little bit of played out on top that you will not see. But now I'm going into the waterline using my NYX Jumbo Pencil in Black Beam. Back to the Great Lash on those lashes, and now let's set it, baby. MAC's Fix Plus. Now for the lips. This is MAC's Lip Liner in Ruby Woo. Getting ready to apply the liquid lipstick. And now I am using I Love Sadae times Color Pop Arriba. This is another one of my favorites. And now I'm working MAC's Nylon into the tear duct. Voila. This girl is ready to see Beyonce, actually the Carters. I'll see you beauties in the next video. Enjoy.